Hello, welcome to my channel, and we are discussing about the industrial automation. We already discussed about reasons of automating and the definition of automation. Let us talk about different levels of automation. Now, before going to the levels, let us understand why these levels are so important in implementing the automation. Now, any industry or any process, if you want to automate, you cannot shift from directly a non-automatic manual system to the fully automatic system or a process. Okay, so it is always recommended to go step by step, and those steps will be levels of automation. Okay, so let us see what are these levels of automation. So there are basically 5 levels of automation which are defined, actually 6. Level 0 will be non-automatic, that is manual operation, and then we can go level by level of implementing the different automation systems in your process, and the highest level, that is level 5, will be the fully automatic system. Okay, so let us start with the lowest level, that is level 1. Okay, so level 1 is basically called device level automation. Okay, so if you are having a line of machines, and if one machine is having number of subsystems, that is what your device level of automation is. Okay, so if you try to automate a single sensor, single actuator, or a specific hardware element of an individual machine, okay, subsystem of a whole machine, that is called a device level automation. The example is a CNC machine in which you have 5 axes of motions, let us say, and you are automating only 2 axes of it using some sensors and actuators. So that is basically a device level automation. Okay, the next level is little bit more difficult, that is called the machine level automations, where you automate the whole machine, individual machine. So instead, we will take a same example of CNC, and instead of automating only 2 axes, we will automate the whole process of that CNC machine. Okay, so that is called a machine level automation, level 2, which is with the specific machine. Then level 3 comes, that is called cell or system level of automation, where you automate a group of machines. Okay, so generally what in shop floor, what happens is, you have a set of machines. So I have, let us say I have 4 or 5 CNC machines, and instead of automating only one, I am automating a group of machines after my second level. Okay, so that is a system level automation. A group of machines will be automated together to form a process. Okay, and then level 4 is very important, that is called a plant level automation, where you actually automate the whole process, whole production process or manufacturing process of your product. Okay, that is the plant level automation. And very important and most top level for the automation is called enterprise level automation, where you automate from the inventory to the final product. Okay, so all the corporate information, number of items to be purchased, your inventory management, your cost analysis, your production rate, everything will be automated and kept in a system, and that system can be tracked at each and every level, and system will keep on working automatically. Okay, so that is basically a whole enterprise is coming into one roof of automation. Okay, so you can access everything from one system or one control panel of your shop floor. Okay, so that is basically the 5th level of automation. Now ideally, uh, if any industry goes to the level 2, level 3 of automation, that is a good quality of automation for the good production rate. Okay, level 4 and level 5 is definitely achievable, but it is more time consuming and costly. Okay, so that's why when we talked earlier, that it is very difficult to go from manual system to the fully automatic system because of the cost. Okay, so if you implement the levels of automation in the specific order of level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5, you can get the idea of how system is responding to the automation. Okay, and then you can start implementing level by level automation in your system. Okay, so this is what I want to talk about in this video, that is levels of automation. If you like the content, do like and share, and do subscribe my channel, and also go to the playlist which is right now on your screen to get more videos on industrial automation. Thank you.